across the island shore. Golden light unlocks another door. Gentle waves keep dancing to the breeze, carrying hope through the coconut trees. Every path is shaped by steps we choose. Every heart has something true to prove. Walk with kindness, let your spirit lead. Plant tomorrow with a faithful seed. When the clouds gather overhead, lift your eyes and move ahead. The strongest roots grow patiently, standing firm beside the sea. Stand beside the fire, let your light be known. Love is strongest when it's freely shown. One drop rhythm keeps the spirit high, like the stars that fill the island sky. Hand in hand we'll journey on, greeting every brand new dawn. One heartbeat, one destiny, living in sweet harmony. Children sing beneath a banyan tree, voices carried by the endless breeze. Mountain echoes answer every call, reminding us that love belongs to all. Every river finds its way somehow. Just as hope is calling to us now. Hold the vision, never let it fade. Peace grows stronger with the choices made. Hear the Nyabinghi drums resound, ancient rhythms rising from the ground. Analog horns lift the melody, floating with the warm Caribbean breeze. Tape echoes drift from hill to shore, filling every heart forevermore. Stand together through the wind and rain. Love will help us rise again. Hit the Newton bassline, classic one-drop groove, reggae fusion guitar scans, drum and organ bubble, still the melody time, analog horn ensemble, Nyabinghi hand drums, conga straight spring river, ocean and beanones, rounded saturation, ocean and beanones, rounded saturation, ocean and beanones, rounded saturation, ocean and beanones, rounded saturation. Stand beside the fire shining bright, guiding every soul throughout the night. Every sunrise brings another chance, every heartbeat joins the dance. Raise your voice across the sea, sing for hope and unity. One love flowing endlessly, one heart, one family. When the dawn returns again, wash away the fear and pain. May every song and every smile carry peace for every mind.
Moonlight sails on the quiet sea. Silver waves move in serenity. Island winds whisper through the trees, carrying songs upon the evening breeze. Stars awaken where the mountains stand, painting peaceful dreams across the land. Every heartbeat keeps a sacred flame. Every soul is different yet the same. When the darkness tries to cloud your eyes, look beyond where tomorrow's sunrise lies. Hold your courage like the ancient trees, standing tall beside the endless sea. Moon over Zion Bay, shine your gentle light. Guide our hearts with hope throughout the night. One drop rhythm moving strong and free, like the tides that kiss the endless sea. Raise your voice with every rising dawn, knowing every shadow soon is gone. One love growing naturally, one heart living peacefully. Children dancing where the fireflies glow, learning truths the oldest rivers know. Mountain echoes carry songs of peace, teaching every restless soul release. Hands united build tomorrow's way, planting seeds for brighter days. Through the valleys and the ocean spray, hope will never drift away. Nyabinghi drums begin to rise, echoing beneath the moonlit skies. Ancient rhythms shake the earth below, helping every faithful spirit grow. Hammered on horns begin to sing, warmth and comfort that they bring. Tape echoes floating through the night, turning dreams into guiding light. No chain can hold a hopeful mind. Leave the fear and strongest weed. Nyabinghi the rider, one drop crew, reggae fusion guitar scans. Now I'm God real love hot. I'm a hand Hawaii. Nyabinghi's musician. Congas, shakers, when tricks they echoes the train. Dub delay, spray rebel, ocean and behind. The melodica saturation. Born in Zion Bay, shine forever bright. Lead us through the calmest night. Every heartbeat writes a brand new song, reminding us where we belong. Raise your hands beneath the stars above. Build tomorrow upon hope and love. One rhythm flowing endlessly. One family, one destiny. As the morning greets the rising sun, may our spirits always journey free. With every breeze and every ray, peace will light another day. Golden skies are melting into shades of blue. Ocean winds are carrying a song anew. Every wave keeps time upon the shore, inviting every heart to dream once more. Palm trees dance beneath the fading light. Stars awaken softly through the night. Every breath becomes a melody, floating with the island breeze so free. Leave your worries where the tide has been. Open up your heart and breathe again. Every step becomes a brand new start. Peace is growing quietly in every heart. Golden evening glow, carry me away, where the rhythm keeps the soul at peace each day. One drop heartbeat, steady as the sea, flowing through our lives so naturally. Lift your voice beneath the moonlit sky. Let your dreams take flight and rise on high. Hope and love will always lead us home. Together we are never alone. Children laugh along the shoreline sand.
castles hand in hand. Every smile becomes a shining flame, lighting hearts that never stay the same. Mountains echo ancient songs of grace. Every sunrise finds another place. When we walk with kindness as our guide, joy will always journey by our side. Hear the Nyabinghi drums begin to roll, ancient rhythms reaching every soul. Analog horns answer through the air, calling every dreamer everywhere. Day echoes drift across the sea, blending with the waves in harmony. Stand together, fearless, calm and strong. Unity becomes our greatest song. Shine forever bright, guide us through the calmness of the night. Every heartbeat sings a melody, bound together in sweet harmony. Raise your hands beneath the stars above, fill the world with hope, respect and might. One rhythm flowing endlessly, one heart, one family. As the dawn returns beyond the sea, every soul awakens peacefully. May the music travel far and wide, with hope and love as our faithful guide.
The morning sun kisses the ocean blue. A brand new day brings a clearer view. Island winds carry songs through the trees, whispering hope with the gentle breeze. The shoreline glows with a golden flame. Every sunrise never looks the same. With grateful hearts and steady feet, every new beginning feels complete. Leave behind yesterday's heavy rain. Every dawn can heal the deepest beneath the coconut trees, their voices dancing with the breeze. Mountains echo melodies so clear, reminding us that love is always near. Every wave upon the sparkling shore sings of dreams worth reaching for. Hand in hand we'll find our way, building brighter moments every day. Hear the Nyabinghi drums arise, calling hearts beneath the open skies. Vintage horns begin to play, lighting up another day. Tape echoes drifting through the air, carrying every hopeful prayer. No matter where the road may bend, love remains until the end. Keep melodic one-drop bass, crisp reggae guitar skanks, analog and bubble, analoging harmonies, Nyabinghi hand drums. Mind us Caribbean shakers, tape echo guitar, duck delay, spring river, ocean and the vile wall. Light with the morning sun, every heart beats as one. Peace will bloom where love is found, growing strong from sacred ground. Let the music lead the way, brighter than the break of day. One heartbeat, one family, living in harmony. When the evening meets the sea, may your spirit still be free. Every sunrise starts anew, with endless skies and endless truth. Evening settles softly on the silver sea, palm trees sway in quiet harmony. A warm breeze carries every hopeful prayer, wrapping every soul with gentle care. Lanterns glow along the sandy shore, simple moments become so much more. Every smile shines brighter than before, opening
mountains to the coral reef. Kindness brings the soul a sweet relief. When the dawn arrives with golden skies, faith awakens with the sunrise. Step by step together we will stand, building peace across this island land. Hear the Nyabinghi drums arise, echoing beneath the starlit skies. Vintage horns begin to gently sing, calling every hopeful heart to sing. Tape echoes drifting through the night, filling every breeze with warmth and light. No matter where tomorrow leads, love will always plant the strongest seeds. Deep rolling manjetes, one guitar skank, Fangan Baba Baro, Lalita Lida Mando, Nyabinghi hand drum, Congas Dangie, Spring River, Caribbean shakers. Under these island stars we stand, hope and peace walk hand in hand. Every sunrise paints a brand new dream, brighter than it first may seem. One heartbeat moving endlessly, like the waves upon the sea. Love will always light the way. Together we'll greet another day. As the moon fades into morning light, every soul keeps shining bright. With every breeze and every song, we find the place where we belong.
Morning breaks across the mountains high, golden sunlight fills the open sky. Every breath's a blessing on the wind, a brand new chance for hope to rise again. The river sings a gentle ancient song, teaching every heart where we belong. Though the road may twist from day to day, faith becomes the light that leads the way.
When the night feels long and shadows fall, love remains the strongest voice of all. Every prayer carried by the breeze finds its way beyond the tallest trees.
Guide my steps today, keep my spirit strong. Fill my heart with peace where I belong. Let compassion be the path I choose. There is nothing love cannot renew. With every sunrise comes another chance. Every heartbeat joins creation's dance. One rhythm flowing wild and free. Hope will live eternally. Children laughing underneath the sun. Every smile reminds us we're all one. From the hills down to the endless shore, kindness opens every waiting door. Lift the weary, comfort those in need. Plant tomorrow with a faithful seed. Though the storm may gather overhead, peace will bloom wherever love is spread. Blow the horns across the valley wide. Let their echoes be our faithful guide. Ancient drums awaken every soul, calling every generation home. Stand together through the wind and rain. Rise with courage, rise again. Hope is stronger than the darkest night. Truth will always shine its light. When the evening stars begin to shine, peace will gently stand the test of time. Every dawn renews the dream we share. Hope is growing everywhere. Guide my steps today, let my spirit grow. Like the mighty rivers softly flow. Every voice can help the world believe. There is more in life than we receive. Lift your hands beneath the morning sun. Every journey has already begun. One heartbeat, one melody, growing into harmony. When the evening stars begin to shine, peace will gently stand the test of time. Every dawn renews the dream we share. Hope is growing everywhere.
Simple blessings fill this sacred place. Though my hands are empty, my spirit overflows. Every seed of kindness is the richest thing that grows. Walking through the village with a grateful soul. Every little heartbeat makes a broken spirit whole. No chain can hold the dream that's living deep inside. Hope becomes the river and love becomes the guide. Stand firm like the mountains by the sea. Truth and love will always set us free. Every new tomorrow starts today. Light will always find another way. I'm rich in the morning light. Peace inside is my greatest prize. With every rhythm, every song I sing, joy is more than silver, more than anything. Raise your hands beneath the open sky. Lift your soul and let your spirit fly. Every heartbeat keeps the fire alive. Together we were born to thrive. Island breezes dancing through the cave, washing every sorrow with the falling rain. Children laugh together by the old mango tree, painting dreams as far as eyes can see. Brothers, sisters walking side by side, keeping hope and courage as our daily guide. No matter where tomorrow's road may bend, love and faith will carry us again. Hear the ancient drum begin to call. One heartbeat is enough to lift us all. Blow the horns across the evening sky. Echoes tell us never to deny the strength that's growing quietly inside. The flame that neither storms nor fear can hide. With every voice united we proclaim, peace and justice walk hand in hand again. I'm rich in the morning light. Peace inside is my greatest prize. With every rhythm, every song I sing, joy is more than silver, more than anything. Raise your hands sunshine and the rain. Lift your eyes beyond the clouds above. Every heartbeat carries hope and love. Step by step the journey leads us home. Together we are never alone. Sunrise still comes after every darkest night. Hold your faith and keep your spirit shining bright. Let the roots grow deep beneath your soul. Love will always make the broken whole. Feel the rhythm moving naturally. One heartbeat, one love, one family. Children laughing underneath the mango tree. Every smile becomes a living melody. Old guitar is singing with the ocean's gentle sway, giving thanks for every blessing of the day. Blow the horns and let the echoes fly. Drums are calling underneath the open sky. Ancient wisdom lives in every song we raise, lighting hearts with everlasting praise.
One heartbeat moving endlessly. Together we live in harmony. Ancient drums are calling through the hills tonight, lighting every pathway with a peaceful light. Children laugh beneath the coconut trees, carried by the whispers of the island breeze. Every sunrise brings another chance to grow, like the rivers that forever choose to flow. Stand together, never walk alone. Love can build a future stronger than stone. Blow the horns across the distant shore, wake the dreamer sleeping evermore. Every echo tells the world to rise, with faith reflected in our hopeful eyes. No fear can silence songs the people sing. Unity becomes our greatest offering. The fire of compassion keeps us strong, turning every struggle into song. Deep one drop bassline, Nyabinghi and drum, from a road in Talu, take echo guitar scans. Mommy band and mama circle, create a pressure, combine and crugger, special street river. Take your time, sweet island breeze, fill our hearts with everlasting peace. Every sunrise writes another page. Love will always outlive fear and rage. Raise your hands beneath the stars above. Build tomorrow on the strength of love. One rhythm flowing endlessly, one heart, one word, one family. The moonlight dances softly on the sea. Freedom grows where every soul can breathe. Step by step, the future comes inside. Hope will always shine its gentle light. No crown of gold can measure who we are. The brightest flame can shine from near or far. Every heart can be a guiding light.
every darkest night. When the morning paints the hills in gold, stories of compassion still unfold. Every step we take with honesty plants the seeds of hope for all to see. No one can keep a faithful spirit down. Love will always lift us from the ground. When we stand as one beneath the sun, a brighter day has already begun. Carry the light wherever you may go. Let your kindness be the world you show. Like the rivers flow into the sea, hope will write our shared destiny. Raise your voice with courage, calm and strong. Every heart deserves a hopeful song. One rhythm beating endlessly, bound together in harmony. Island winds are calling through the trees, bringing gentle songs upon the breeze. Children dancing barefoot in the sand, building dreams together hand in hand. Ancient echoes travel through the night, keeping every vision burning bright. From the valleys to the mountainside, truth and love will always be our guide. Hear the Nyabinghi drums arrive, calling every dreamer to the sky. The sound, like waves returning to the ground. Hold your purpose firmly in your soul. Together we become a greater whole.